I heard a lady screaming and I saw her it looked like trying to get a boy out of the water.
He was a gray-blue color, completely lifeless, like a rag doll.
A horrifying scene for this couple from Hoover. They were in Georgia over the weekend when they saw a 4-year-old boy pulled from the bottom of a hotel pool.
He was being watched and he was surrounded by responsible adults. He was probably only under the water 45 seconds to a minute.
But in that minute, everything changed. Thankfully, the Jacobsons didn't take a minute to think, but act.
There were 50 people and no one knew what to do. It was panic. And my husband came around the pool and he did the breathing, the rescue breathing. I did the chest compressions, and after 2 cycles, he started coming back to life. It was amazing.
We were able to revive him from being blue and lifeless to, pink and screaming, which was just amazing.
I kind of picked him up and started kissing him and, just took a minute.
Elizabeth is a doctor, a dermatologist, and Keith is a retired firefighter who now works at the practice. But they say anybody could have saved that boy's life, which is why they encourage everyone to learn CPR. The boy is okay now, out of the hospital with no long-term negative effects. The Jacobsons say this is a huge lesson that everyone should know how to do CPR. And they recommend picturing the dummy as your child, husband, or wife while training. As far as classes, they say reach out to the Hoover Fire Department or directly with the American Red Cross.